Okay, if you remember, right, okay, what is going on for the last week lesson, as I told you, is based on the idea of the electromagnet. So, apa yang kita belajar sebelum ni adalah idea terhadap electromagnet. Idea electromagnet adalah di mana kita kata apabila ada arus mengalir, dia mampu menghasilkan satu magnet. Arus mengalir akan menghasilkan apa? Magnet. Okay, but remember for the last week lesson, kalau you masih ingat, still got people coming in. Still remember? Okay, apabila kita ada satu dawai, when there's a wire, as I told you before, when there's a wire, for example, when there's a current flow, okay, when there's a current, okay, flow on the wire, what will happen? The wire will turn into the wire will turn into what? A magnet. Okay, the wire will turn into a magnet. Oh, wait, this still got people coming in. Okay, wait, just wait for a while. Okay. Next time, try to come in earlier lah, kalau boleh. Okay, of course, today is just a replacement class. So everything will get back to normal next Monday lah. I will see you again next Monday. You see, still got people coming in. Okay. Can there's a message here. Hi teacher, sorry for inconvenience, but could you have your phone number and email so I can like to obtain today recorded lesson for my friend. Anything you no need to find phone number, you just contact me by Telegram. Contact me by Telegram. Okay, just find me. What is my name? This is my name. Just find me in the Telegram. Okay, contact me in Telegram. Email, you want email also can. Email this one, Luke Skywalker, one word, LukeSkywalker@gmail.com. Okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, come back to this. Okay, as I told you that when there's a current flow into this wire, the wire will turn into magnet. Tapi kalau kamu masih ingat, as I told you that, kalau dia magnet, dia mesti ada apa? Dia must have a pole. Dia mesti ada magnetic pole, iaitu sama ada north pole ataupun south pole. Because if you call yourself as a magnet, kalau kamu dianggap sebagai satu magnet, kamu mesti ada kutub. Dan kutub dia sama ada north ataupun south. And do remember, as I told you before, in order to find the pole, you have to use a right hand. Kalau kamu masih ingat, right hand. Okay, right hand. So please, as I say, that you must try to do it yourself. You cannot look at me. You look at me, you're very confused. Okay, because we have a mirror image over here. You will feel a bit confusion. So you have to do it yourself. As I told you that one of the easiest way to do is, okay, draw an arrow over here. Let me draw again. You see, I sacrifice for you again now. So you draw an arrow over here. Okay, you draw an arrow, just like that. Okay, one arrow, can you see? Okay, then you need another arrow over here. All right, can you see that? All right, two arrow. Then you grip. Then you're able to see what is going on. Okay, you must try. You must try to grip. Baru kamu tahu apa sedang berlaku. Understand or not? You must try. As I say, when you grip, right, you're able to see either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, as I told you before, let me show you. I'm using another camera. You see, okay, from here. Okay, when you grip, what you can see from here. So this is clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is an anti-clockwise. You have to see it yourself. Imagine this is your own hand. You see yourself. This is anti-clockwise. The other side you can see. Okay, can you see that? It's a clockwise. Can you see that? Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. This is how what we did lah. Ini adalah apa yang kita buat last week. If you remember. Kalau ini adalah apa yang kita buat last week. If you remember what we did lah. Understand or not? So is that clear? So today we're going to carry on our discussion. Last week, as I told you already, kita ada dua cara menghasilkan magnet. Okay, you understand the main objective of this subtopic is kita ingin menghasilkan magnet sendiri. We don't want to korek bawah tanah lagi. Kita nak buat magnet. So kita ada tiga cara sebenarnya. Cara pertama is called a straight wire. It's a lousiest method. If you remember the circle one. Lepas tu yang kedua, circular coil. Circular coil is also not a very good method also, as you know. So today we come to the best method that we can find. It's called the solenoid. Look at this. Okay, what is a solenoid? Apa itu solenoid? Okay, that's the best part in Malay translation. Dalam bahasa Melayu kita namakannya solenoid. Same spelling, different pronunciation. Solenoid. So what is a solenoid? Solenoid basically, right? Solenoid is basically referring to a wire that you wind up in a spring form. Satu wire yang kamu lilitkan dalam bentuk spring. It's just like this. Imagine I have a piece of wire over here. Okay, of course you can see. There's a piece of wire over here. What am I going to do now? I take my pen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wind up at my pen, for example, just like this. Okay, I want to wind up here, for example. So then I pull up the pen. What you will see, this is a wire that you make in a spring form. Can you see that? The wire that you make in a spring form. Dalam sains, dalam fizik, we call this as a solenoid. Kita namakannya sebagai apa? Solenoid. Is that clear? Okay, now don't copy. Do not copy. Please do not copy. Okay, now the thing is, how we going to draw the solenoid? Macam mana kita nak lukiskan dia? It's like this. Imagine that, don't copy. Don't copy. Let me use a black pen. Let's say when I draw a solenoid, it's like this. Let's say this is a solenoid. For example, if I draw like this. If I draw like this, right, class, it's a bit confusing, I would say. Why I use the word confusing? Sebab kamu kena tahu, apabila kita ada satu solenoid, it's a 3D diagram, it's a 3D drawing. Dalam satu lukisan 3 dimensi, kamu mesti mampu dan pasti melihat di mana adalah satu bahagian depan ataupun di bahagian belakang. Just like this. Even though you can see this wire over here, that will be the front, that will be the back of the wire. Am I right? There will be a front and back. Correct? Now, it's a 3D. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that when you draw like that, right, it might be this way. Don't copy. It might be you will say, oh, maybe the wire come to the front, then back, front, back, front, back. Can you see that? It can be like that. Or you might say this is the wire come back, front, back, front, back, front. Am I right? So I would say that it will cause certain kind of optical illusion over here, di manakah depan dan belakang. Am I right? So that's why to avoid all this kind of confusion, kita mengelakkan kekeliruan ini. So what we normally do is like that. Okay, look at this. Look at this. So apa yang kita biasanya buat? We'll use a dotted line. Let me erase this part first. Then I will draw again for you. Don't copy, please. Okay. What we normally do is like that. This one, we draw as a dotted line. Okay, normally we draw as a what? A dotted line. Okay, we draw as a, okay, this is a line, of course, a dotted line. Okay, what is the meaning of this dotted line over here? Okay, what's the meaning of this one? Look very ugly here. So sorry, you know lah, my hand memang cacat-nya. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay, normally where we use a dotted line to represent. Dotted represent what? They represent the wire which is located at the back. Apabila terdapat wire yang terletak di bahagian belakang, we use a dotted line. And do remember, this dotted line doesn't mean that the wire memang putus. No. Even though, just like imagine that if I connect this to a switch again, for example, with a battery, same thing, just like that. Don't copy, I will tell you what to do. So this is the solenoid circuit that we're looking at. Ini tidak bermakna, as I say, putus-putus tu menunjuk kepada kita wire sudah putus. Tidak. Kawasan putus-putus itu hanya menunjuk kepada dia merupakan wire yang terletak di bahagian belakang. It's just representing the wire which located at the back. So that means this wiring you see, if I come from this side, okay, just like imagine if I turn on the circuit, the current will start to flow. From where? Positive to the negative. So the current is coming out. Okay. Current is coming out. So when the current is coming out, where they will go? They will go to the back. Then the front. Am I right? Then the front. Then the back. Then the front. Then the back. Then the front. Then they will come back. Can you see that? So this is how the current is going to flow. Okay. I repeat. So that's why you have to draw this carefully. Later when you copy into your notes, don't write first. Okay. Don't do anything first. Okay. If you copy this into your notes later on, you have to draw carefully. Okay, draw carefully. Where is a front and where is a back? Remember, the front is just a normal line. The back is represented by the dotted line. Understand? Represented by the dotted line. So the dotted line actually representing the back of the wire. Is it okay? So now our job is to find out where is the current. Okay, sorry, where is the magnetic pole? So this is a current flow now. Where is the magnetic pole? Okay, let me show you what is happening now. Okay, give me some time. I'm going to bring this diagram out to my backdrop. Okay, I'm going to bring this out to my backdrop so that easier for me to discuss with you what's going on. All right, wait up. Okay, done. Okay, let me do some adjustment here. Give me a few seconds. Here you go. Okay, so I need to enlarge my face first so that I know what am I talking about. So that I know my, okay, here. Okay, now you see what happened now. Okay, this is the current flow. Okay, the current flow to here, it goes up, they go to the back, front, go to the back, then front. They go to the back, then front. Then they come to here, then go back lah. Understand? And we know very well, as long as there's a current flow, apabila ada pengaliran arus, as long as there's a current flow, you will turn into magnet. Okay, how to find the magnet direction? We're using our right hand. Tapi ada masalah sekarang. Apa masalah? You look at this, you will know. If the current go here, the current go here, current. Where's the magnet? Magnet. Oh, you look at it. Anti-clockwise. So, magnet. Lepas tu current. Oh, shit. The current spins. Current. You find that the current like spinning here and there. The current like spinning here and there. So, where is the magnet, sir? So, magnet is everywhere. Magnet is everywhere. So, we have a problem now apabila kita ada masalah ini. Okay, but how to solve the problem, class? Same thing. Today, we're still using right hand. Kita masih menggunakan right hand. Masih menggunakan right hand. We're still using a right hand. But for your information, here carefully, don't copy. That's why I say, dengar betul-betul. Apabila kita menggunakan tangan kanan, when we use our right hand, sebenarnya ada dua cara. There are two methods. First method is what we did before. That is for only straight wire ataupun circular coil. How to use the first method? We say the thumb representing the current flow. Finger, magnet. Current, magnet, current, magnet. Remember? Current, magnet, current, magnet. First method. Second method, masih menggunakan tangan kanan, tetapi dia terbalik. It's the other way round. What I mean, this one just now, sebelum ini, current, magnet, current, magnet. Now, this is magnet. This is current. I repeat, sebelum ini, current, magnet, current, magnet. Now, for solenoid, this is current. This is magnet. Current, magnet, current, magnet. Is it okay? Okay, now you see, before that, sebelum ini, when you observing your hand, apabila kamu cuba perhatikan tangan kamu, how you going to see? You look at this side. Sama ada clockwise ataupun anti-clockwise. Betul tak? Now you cannot see this way. You have to see your hand this way. Look at this part. Okay, of your hand. So the moment you grip, you will find out your hand is like moving in a certain direction. Okay, maybe you do not understand what I'm trying to say. Again, let me sacrifice for you again. Okay, saya cuba korbankan untuk anda semua sekali lagi. So that's why I always say, okay, kalau saya mati disebabkan masalah kulit because of you. Okay. Let me draw another arrow on my hand like this. All right. Nice. Someone's still coming in. Can you see now? There's an arrow here. Okay. Oh, okay. KD69 again, trying to enter many times. Okay, you see, huh? Can you see the arrow now? Can you see the arrow? Okay or not? So when you look at the arrow now, when you're facing your arrow now, okay, look at this. When I grip my hand, apabila saya grip, the front part of my hand is like going up. The back is like coming down. You know what I'm trying to say or not? So when you look at your hand, it's the same thing. You look at this side, this is considered, okay, you look at this side, mean you look at it. Understand or not? You look at it. Is it okay? Apabila kamu perhatikan dia, this is like going up. The front is like coming down. Front up, back down. Sorry, the back is coming down. Sorry, that's not salah. The front is like going up. The back is coming down. This is a mess. Oh, sorry, teacher, I got locked out. Is it? Okay, never mind. Welcome back. Okay, welcome back. KD69. Okay, understand? Okay, one more time. Look at the hand now. Please pay attention. If you can, please do it now. Buat sekarang. Jangan malu, jangan segan. I don't think anyone next to you ada. Ibu bapa, siapa? Tak apa, tunjuk. Mengapa you belajar fizik? Sebab kita belajar ni. Okay? So you grip, you look at your hand. Front up, back down. If you turn your hand this way, you will see the back is like going up, the front is coming down. You know what I'm trying to say or not? You know what I'm trying to say? You have to do it. You cannot look at me. A bit confusing one. This is, I call it, if I put my hand like this, I look at my hand like this, I will call it as what? I will call this back up, front down. If I turn like this, I will call it front up, back down. Is it okay? Can or not? Okay, let me show you this. How we can find this? As I said, we are using fingers now as a current. Your thumb is a magnet. Current, magnet, current, magnet. Is it okay? Now you look at this. Your hand must follow this. Your hand must follow this. How to follow? So you have to place your hand. Okay, you see this current flow. How the current flow? The current is like flowing up. Okay, you see the current from here. It goes up, you go to the back. So the back is going down, back down, front up, back down, front up, back down, front up. Can you see that? Back down, front up. Remember my word, back down, front up. So how are you going to place your hand? Are you going to place like this or like that? Like this or like that? In order for you to have a back down, front up. How? Can I place my hand like this? So you grip, you can check. You grip, you can check. You genggam, you akan tahu. Adakah dia depan dia mesti naik, belakang mesti turun. Macam mana? How are you going to place? Like this or like that? Give me a response here, please. This or that? Sorry ya, minum air. No one puasa, right? Ada puasa 6? Tak ada ya? Okay, oh, macam-macam jawapan ada. It means you're a bit confused already. As I say, use this, you will do. Facing my palm. All right, okay, now you see, okay, let me show you. You have to place your hand. Let me use another camera. Zoom in. Chang, chang, chang. Hi. Okay, you see, oops, let me, why is it long enough? I think should be long enough. Okay, oops, oopsie. Can you see? Okay, now look at the question. Now look at the question. You see, this is like going up. The back is like coming down. You know what I'm trying to say or not? Can you hear me? Mic testing. Okay. Okay. So now you guess how you're going to place your hand. You see a very simple need. You grip. You check. Can you see the hand arrow, right? Can you see the hand arrow? And this arrow is exactly the same. Can you see that? So this is a front up, back down. Or you don't know what's a front up, back down, doesn't matter. You grip, you put your hand in front. Just imagine this is your question. Imagine this is a question. You do your exam, you place your hand with the arrow there. So you place like this. Can you see the arrow on my hand and this arrow is exactly the same? Can you see exactly the same? But if you turn the other way, right, you see that this arrow and this arrow, they are not the same. Can you see that? If you do like that, the arrow is exactly the same. Bermakna, this is a correct position of your hand. So this is how you do. Front up, back down, or you just refer to the arrow. Understand or not? So once you have done with that, kalau kamu sudah dapat itu, what's the next step? Next step is you raise your thumb. Pop. Your thumb is pointing to that side. Your thumb is a magnet. What magnet? North Pole magnet. Your thumb is what magnet? North Pole magnet. Okay or not? Okay, your thumb is a North Pole magnet. Bermakna, ladies and gentlemen, go back to the question now, copy later. Go back to this. Bermakna, kamu sudah menghasilkan satu medan magnet di mana di sini adalah satu North Pole. Ladies and gentlemen, as I told you before, if that side is a North Pole, that means the opposite side of it must be the South Pole. Bermakna dengan secara tidak langsung, you already created a magnet. And ladies and gentlemen, don't copy first. Can you see this magnet design, right? Oh, Lord, here. Ooh, so messy over here, actually. There's so many things in front of me. I tell you, to teach online is not easy. I got so many gadgets here. I got mic, writing pad, camera here, camera there. Okay, and a screen at the back. Okay, ooh, gila. Okay, that's why not easy. Okay. Okay, come back. So apa yang berlaku is that, can you see this design? Okay, this design is exactly the same like a magnet bar. Satu ketul magnet. Can you see that? They're exactly the same. Di mana sini North Pole, sini South Pole. Bermakna sekarang kamu boleh bayangkan dengan menggunakan cara solenoid, by using a solenoid method, I already created a piece of magnet, rectangular shape, just like that. One side north, one side is a south. Can you see that? Can you see that? And what's the best part? Because dia adalah magnet, dia mesti ada medan magnet. They must have a magnetic field. How to find a magnetic field? I told you before, letak sebuah besi. I use a red pen now. Bayangkan apabila kamu letak sebuah besi di atas magnet, what you will see? You will see the line like that, like that, like that. Remember or not? This one no need to copy. This one no need to copy. I just show you what happened before. Same thing you will see in the solenoid. Benda yang sama. Don't copy. You will see the line at the middle like that. So, mengapa sebuah besi boleh masuk ke dalam? This red line representing sebuah besi sebab dia kosong empty. Imagine if this is solenoid, okay, I place on the surface like that. For example, place on the surface. For example alright. So place on the surface like this, so you can see or not. So letak sebuah besi, sememangnya sebuah besi mampu masuk ke dalam. Okay, you can see inside, they can go inside one. You know what I'm trying to say or not? That's why you will see the powder also inside. Okay or not? So you will see that, you will see like this. Bermakna kelas kamu sudah menghasilkan satu ketul magnet. Okay, like that. And of course, you put more powder, you will see the shape going to be like that. And the shape going to be like this. Okay or not? Write it down into your notes in the same place that I copy, but don't use the whole space. Use the 50% of this space will do. Sebab, okay, this bottom part over here, bahagian bawah ni, I need this part. And I will show you another example. I need this part. Understand or not? So don't copy this part. Make this empty. Make this part free. Jangan buat apa-apa di sini. Understand or not? So please, and don't copy the word free. I don't want to write it later. Some of you dumb one. So copy the word free. Okay? Arrow also don't copy. Just make sure this area is free and empty. Okay? Kosongkan dia. Because I got two examples for you. This is the first one only. Okay? Copy down quick into your notes. Ada soalan boleh tanya. Teacher can become streamer already. Yeah, going to YouTuber. All right. Okay, hurry up. Quick. Copy carefully. Copy carefully. Let me enlarge it a bit for you. Copy carefully, especially the wire at the back. Make sure indicate carefully. Okay? Buat betul-betul. Dot belakang. Understand or not? I enlarge a bit for you. Okay, Ada soalan boleh tanya. Kalau tak ada soalan, I need to convert some of my body energy to become a biomass in the liquid form. Okay. Tadi makan rice with the soup, drink too much of soup, now becoming too much of water. Okay. Done? Any part don't understand, please let me know, because this is one of my greatest challenge of my teaching career. Okay, I told you before, I've been teaching physics for almost 20 over years already. 20 lebih lah, no joke. Okay, no joke. Okay, but this is one of my toughest challenge for this year. 2020 is my toughest challenge because it's the first time in my life I'm teaching a hand rule without looking at my student. These two memang masalah because teaching a physical thing. Just like you teach someone to play badminton internet. Okay, mari open. Okay, just imagine that. Okay, teach someone to play what we call badminton by using online Zoom like that. It's challenging. Understand now? Okay, so any question, please let me know. I hope that you must try in front of you. Use your hand to do. Okay. Someone asked, teacher, the magnetic field got no arrow. As I say, if you put the what we call the powder, you will not see the arrow. If you want arrow, you have to put compass. Okay, as I say, to see the shape, you use a powder. To see the direction, you have to put a compass. If you put a compass, as I told you before, you will see the arrow going to be like this lah, north going out like that. Okay, from north to south like this. Okay, south coming in. Okay, just like that. Okay, I hope I answer you that. Okay, next one. Sir, is it anti-clockwise or no? This is not anti-clockwise or what? You have to look at your hand. This part just now is talking about clockwise or anti-clockwise. This part, okay? This anti-clockwise or clockwise. But we are not looking at this two. This two is based on the straight wire. We are looking at this side of your hand. This side. So it's not clockwise or anti-clockwise. Either you grip it, you look in front of your hand, the front is like going up, the back like coming down like that. Or you grip like this, the back is like going up, the front is coming down. This is how we see. We are not looking at this side and this side anymore. Okay, for solenoid. Okay, I hope I answer you that. This SJ student. Any other question? No other. Anything, please ask. Is it done? Then I can move on. By the way, everyone, actually, you're preferring this class having on Monday or Friday. Since I'm Friday also not bad. But no feedback. If anyone, let me know. You see, sometimes I ask this kind of question a bit stupid when I tell you. I know myself is stupid. Because you know why? The answer for sure, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday. Anytime is good, someone say. Any day is fine, teacher. Okay. So free, yeah. It's the same for me. Yeah. I'm okay lah, Monday or Friday. But the thing is, Friday I'll be at home. Monday, normally I will be outside. So the environment is a bit different. You will know that for those Monday students. No, I'm not going to change. Just ask you only. Night better. Yeah. Actually, night, I like night one. Cool, you know, quiet. Okay, no, I'm not going to change. No worry. Okay, I just ask only. Because today is a Friday, ma. So, you see, Malaysian is like that one. Ask it a bit lah. Tanya sikit-sikit tanya. Bukan nak buat apa. So, wah, tak boleh. Tanya sikit-sikit. Okay, pergi buat. Okay. Okay, then make noise. Okay. Hey. Okay, remove that. Nighttime, no disturbance from family. Oh, is it? Nighttime better. For me, nighttime, I might get more disturbance. My son very active at night. Same like me. I active at night. Night owl, maybe lah. I like nighttime, quiet, peaceful and cold, you know. Okay, done? Done, huh? Sir, want to see your son? No need lah. See this one better. Imagine this one, younger version. No need lah, okay? Okay, someone asked, sir, I don't understand. The one young, why? Wow, this is mix of language. Let me digest first. Sir, I don't understand. The one young, why the temporary magnet will lose when magnetic field current. Oh, this one later. About the magnetic field, all this later. But this one is just to tell you that the main idea of this subtopic is we are going to do a man-made magnet. Kita nak buat satu magnet buatan manusia. Di mana kita idea dia adalah apabila ada arus, dia jadi magnet. Tak ada arus, dia tak ada magnet. And of course, apakah sebab di dalam dia? Don't ask. Mengapa ada arus, ada magnet? Sir, where the magnet came from? Don't ask. You will learn in Form 6. If I have a chance to teach you, I will teach you. Okay? Now, shut up. Okay? Don't ask. No, some students also ask me also just now before that also, like morning also I got one more session. Okay. So basically they ask, so mengapa ada arus, ada magnet? Where the magnet came from? Don't ask. Don't ask. Your syllabus just want to tell you when arus move, when there's a current, magnet when dia wujud. Why wujud? Mana dia datang? All this don't ask. Okay? Sorry, cannot answer. Now, I mean cannot answer you now lah. In future, maybe lah. Okay, done. Form 6, you got teach tuition also. Yes, I do. Someone asked, who's this? Oh, I know you. Yes, I do. But the Form 6 respond not very good one. I mean, not many student one. Because not many people will take Form 6. Form 6 gila one. You take Form 6, it's gila. The physics for Form 6 you know what I'm trying to say? You are old syllabus. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, you see, last time when you learn your science in Form 3, just like your maths in Form 3, Form 2, Form 3, maths and science, that's one kacang putih, right? Suddenly you come to Form 4 or Form 5, you'll find out the transition gap is very big. Like for maths, now you learn at maths. You see, what is that? Suddenly very big. Learn science last time. Your science, you last time genius one. You are genius in science. Suddenly come to physics. Oh shit! You find that it's so tough because the transition gap, the knowledge gap is very big. From Form 3 to Form 4, Form 5, very big. Same thing. Form 4, Form 5 to Form 6, the knowledge gap even more bigger. Suddenly jump to here. You find out what is going on. Okay, that's why it's very challenging unless you really like physics lah. But don't lah, please. Teacher, do you teach tuition for matriculation? Matriculation actually is almost the same with the. I have some students, they take pre-U and matriculation, they come to my Form 6 also because it's almost the same. It's the same one. Matriculation, as long as the physics pre-U level, pre-U matriculations, A level, STPM, almost the same. Okay. So teach Form 6 in school or tuition? I don't teach school. School need to wake up very early morning to go to school, so I don't teach. Okay, if the school can start in a late night or evening school, I go. Morning school cannot. I cannot teach in school. Early morning, I cannot wake up. Where do you teach? There, you will know when you grow up. Someone asks you where. Don't ask now. Okay, concentrate on this. Okay, concentrate on this. Finish your SPM first. Only you talk. But of course, I don't wish you to take Form 6 also seriously. I don't wish you to see in Form 6 also. No, it's not the way. It's super tough. Okay, don't ask. Okay, now matriculation, is it easier? Yes. The reason matriculation pre-U is easier. A level and what we call the STPM is tough. Okay, actually syllabus same. Whatever you learn is the same thing one. Why I say easier? Because the different year, matriculation and pre-U, the exam paper marked by your lecturer. So marked by your lecturer. So your university or college lecturer, that means you akan dapat tips. You will get tips on. Because that is the person who set the question and that's the person who mark your paper. You body it sikit every day, help them to carry the bag, open the door for them. They will give you good marks on. But N level and Form 6 is different. It's like SPM. It's a centralized exam. Bukan cikgu sekolah you mark. It's a government yang mark ataupun a certain party marking it. You don't know who is them. So that's why hard. Okay, I don't talk about that lah. Huh? You settle the 2020 first. This year is a tough year. Okay, sudah. Okay, I think it's done now. So everyone is keep talking already. Okay, another example I'm going to show you. I'm going to draw on the other side. Okay, talk too much already. All right. Done. Okay. What I'm going to do is I just want to show you apakah bezanya if I have a different kind of wiring winding. You see, class, you see what happened? Look at it. Okay. Apabila saya punya wire wind like that, so I wire, go, then dot, go, then dot, then go, then dot. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. There's a switch. That's the battery. And it will go back. Okay, class, what I want you to observe and see is both things looks similar. Understand tak? Memang nampak sama. Yang berbeza is the winding only. That's why when you wind this, you see, so how the winding going to work, you see? I show you by using red pen. I think you can see what am I doing. You see, when I wind, I can wind like this. You see, I wind like this. I front, back, front like that. Correct or not? Another way is I can wind like this, right? Can you see it's the opposite direction? I repeat. You see, when I wind this wire, ada dua cara tau. Satu, my hand go forward first. Go to the camera, back, camera, then back. One cara. Cara kedua is what? Kedua is my hand go to the back first, away from the camera, away from the camera, away from the camera. Can you see that? So the winding, right, will make a difference in terms of solenoid design, just like this. So this winding basically is what? Basically is, okay, the front will go down. Why I say go down, I can show it to you now. Okay, look at this out. As usual, copy later. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect this, for example. So current is going to move from the positive to negative. So current coming up, arus keluar. So look at this. Current go, they go to the front first. The front is coming down. So they go to the back, back is going up. So front is going down. Okay, the front is going down. So the back is going up. So then you return back to here. Can you see that? So the difference here is because of the winding. Okay, the winding is different. Lilitan dia berbeza akan menyebabkan arus akan mengalir dengan arah yang berbeza. They will causes the current flow in different direction. When they flow in different direction, and obviously you have a different kind of magnetic pole. So again, give me a few seconds. Let me just bring out to the screen so that I can do a discussion with you. Give me a few seconds. Working on it. Okay. Hopefully it fit the back screen. Sorry, saya takut dia tak fit. Okay. Someone still want to come in? Welcome from SJ. Okay. Oh, that side doesn't fit really. Screen 2 not wide enough. Okay, look at this. Okay, just now this one. How are you going to place your hand? You place like this. Correct or not? It's like this. But this one, you will see, you have to place this like this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, use another camera to zoom in. What am I doing? Okay, can you see? You look at this one, this question. Oh, I'm sorry, this one. You look at this one, right? What is happening? Okay, what is happening now? So you can see the current from the front now is going down. So you will grip like this, right? You will see very obvious. You can see the arrow on my hand and this arrow, they are not the same. They are not the same. Can you see that? They are not the same. So what we do, we turn it the other way around. When you see that this arrow in my hand now, can you see? This arrow in my hand and this arrow is exactly the same. Can you see that? It's exactly the same. So when they're exactly the same, what you can do, you can raise your thumb again. But this time the thumb is pointing this side. So bermakna this side will turn into what? A north pole. Understand or not? This side will turn into a north pole. Okay? Understand or not? Okay, will turn to north pole. That means that you see what is happening now. So this side will turn into a north pole magnet. Of course, on the other side is a south pole. And the same thing, you want to draw a magnetic field, you can draw it up to you. But make sure you understand, if you want to draw an arrow also, the north must go out, south must come in. Okay, I don't want to mess up the diagram. You copy this diagram just below the first. Okay, do it now, quick. Any question, as usual, can ask. Done? Repeat again. Which part? You want me to repeat which part? Let me know. The whole thing, is it? Someone asked me to repeat. Is it the whole thing? Oh, yes. Okay. Basically, it's like that. As I said, you use your hand. You have to see your hand carefully. You see this one, right? This one, you have to see the front part of the wire, how the current flow. The front part of the wire, oh, sorry, I turned my mic. Okay, the front part of the wire, right, you can see the current is going up. The current is going up. Understand now? When the current is going up, you have to place your hand. Okay, let me get camera. Okay, you see, you look at this. This is current is like going up. So when you grip your hand like this, can you see the arrow when my hand is also go up? Can you see that? So this match memang sama. So bermakna betul. Your way of placing your hand is betul. Because if you turn this way, you will find out your arrow is like pointing down. You need pointing up. I mean, I'm talking about the front, the front. So this is not true. Salah. So it must be like this. So you raise your thumb. That's why we call this north. The other side is the south. This one is just right opposite up here. All right. Why I say that so? Because you can see if I place my hand like this, can you see this arrow and this arrow? They're not the same. Again, I look at the front. Okay, I look at the front. Understand or not? They are not the same. But if I place my hand like this, that's why you need an arrow on your hand. If you see my hand, I place the arrow like this. Can you see my hand arrow? And this arrow, oh, sorry, here. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one. Can you see that the same? Can you see that? Okay. This arrow is like coming down. This also going down. Then I raise my thumb. That is a north. This is a north. Can you see that? Arrow down. Arrow down. Okay or not? So you have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to do it yourself. Then only you will know. Okay? Any other question? Anything, let me know. I can repeat, no worry. So I said I will try my best, okay, to get as much as the what we call instrument that I have, okay, to make you understand lah. That's why I don't want to. I told you already, I don't want to use the earphone because there's a wire attached. I cannot move here and there to teach. Okay, so I use a mic, and I get another camera so that you can see how I explain. Zoom in my hand to show you lah. Can I? I think I'm the one of the teacher that use the most number of instrument one. So many things I use. I think so lah. The rest I think is kind of simple only, if I'm not wrong. I got nothing better to do. Teacher, you are tech savvy. Yeah lah, but I like this kind of tech thing. You know, keep update to yourself. You know, I like to learn things. Learning is one part of my life. So tech let me learn. Okay, wow, they can do this, do that. Wow, how come they can do like that? You feel appreciate, right? Why people can invent the tech thing, right? The technology, right? They have those kind of idea, you know. Why you can't, why people can. You know what I'm trying to say? So want to do ASMR. Don't want lah. What ASMR? Drink water. Like that. Don't want lah. Something wrong. All this mental problem. ASMR. All right. Teacher, today 103 new cases. Yeah lah. I don't know what to say lah. So demo tomorrow lunch. Woohoo. Don't want lah. Eating. Who want to see? I don't know why people see people eating. Okay. Yeah, I know the cases is like yesterday was very good. I think 15. Today is getting bad. So I also worried lah. SpaceX rocket. Yes, SpaceX. They're launching the rocket with human on it. Hebat. Hebat. Okay, done huh? Can I? Or done huh? Any other question? No. All right. Any other question? Done or not done? I gotta move on now. I gotta move on. Let me know, please. Feedback. Now I'm talking to myself only. Done huh? All right then. Teacher, can wait. So fast. So can draw the magnetic field for the second hand. Can. You want magnetic field? Can. I just don't want to mess up only lah. Okay, too many things. Okay. So basically, magnetic field is what? If you want to draw the line, okay, north going out. Okay, just like that. North going out. Just like that, same thing. North going out, south coming in, just like that. Okay, just like that. Same thing lah. Oh, oops, sorry, the arrow is wrong. This is like that. Okay, if you want to draw, because if I draw a bit messy later, I don't draw because I don't want to mess up the thing. Later, you will know when we do exercise, you can see on the another side, the right-hand side is the exercise already. I will discuss exercise with you one by one, then you know how this thing going to work. But make sure, until now, make sure everyone, you know how to use your hand. Okay, don't look at me. You can't learn this hand rule by looking at me doing it. You yourself must do. Understand? You yourself must do. You cannot just look at me and do. Can't. Okay, a bit tough. Okay, not done, huh? All right, done. All right, go back to this. So now what's the next thing we're going to see? As I said, this type of magnet design is much more better. Lebih baik digunakan. Why better to use? Because it's created by human. We created it. Understand or not? We created by human. Okay, we created it. Understand or not? That means we can control it. As I say, the main objective here is what? We want to control. I told you that kita tak nak lagi nak korek bawah tanah. Oh, jumpa magnet. We don't want to do that. Okay, we don't want to do that. We want to create our own magnet that we can control. This is a good one. Why? We can control. When you want magnet, you turn on the switch, you turn into a magnet. You don't want a magnet, you off the switch. No more magnet. As simple as that. They just control by us. Not only that, we still can control. Another thing is the strength of the magnet. Kekuatan magnet boleh ditukar juga. Tak macam magnet biasa. You korek bawah tanah, you jumpa magnet yang lemah. What you can do? Lemah is lemah. Okay? It's like that. You can't do anything about it. You korek bawah tanah, you jumpa magnet kuat. Bagus. Good for you. Understand or not? You jumpa magnet lemah, can you do anything? Cannot. You have to accept it. Terimalah hakikat dia. Dia magnet lemah. Itu sahaja. Understand or not? But this time is different. Lemah ke kuat, strong or weak, we can control. How? I show you now. Okay, first of all, how we can increase the strength of the electromagnet can increase by. So what is a method that we can use to increase the strength of the magnet? Okay, let's look at it now. Okay, let me use the fine tip. Okay, first method is very simple and straightforward. We just have to increase. Okay, you can write down into your notes. Increase the current flow. Meningkatkan arus aliran elektrik. Meningkatkan arus pun boleh lah. Meningkatkan arus. First method, very straightforward. More current, more magnet. Less current, less magnet. Okay? As simple as that. Write down quick. Okay, got message. Oh, okay, nothing. Done? Okay, that's the first method. Second method, okay, we have to increase. Write down, increase the number of turns, or we call it as a coils. Meningkatkan bilangan lilitan. Meningkatkan bilangan lilitan. Okay, write down. And why this thing can able to make the magnet stronger, I will explain. No worry. Write down first. Okay, huh? Sudah? Done? Okay, let me explain to you how the second statement here means. I use this side of the board. Okay, this one no need to copy ya. Just listen to me will do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kamu bayangkan apabila saya gunakan satu wire, if I use a wire, okay, just like that, I wind up one turn. I wind one turn only, just one turn, I connect with the battery. So basically what you have created, apa kamu sudah hasilkan? You created a magnet. Betul tak? As simple as that. The current flow, you can use your hand to grip like that, then get the magnetic pole direction. So that is simple lah. Understand that? That is simple. Is it okay? Now you see what happened. Okay, next. If I use a wire, okay, I wind up one time, two time. I wind up two turns now. What it means? If I wind up two turns like this, that means you have created two magnet. Am I right? Apabila kamu wind one turn, you already created a magnet. So logically, kalau kamu wind two times, you have created two magnets already, you know. Kamu sudah menghasilkan dua magnet dah. Kamu sudah menghasilkan dua magnet. Is that clear? You already created two magnets already, you know. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if you wind up three times, three magnet. Four times, four magnet. 1,000 times, 1,000 magnet. So more you wind up, more stronger magnet you created. Understand? That's mean the idea over here. Okay, and lastly, the third one. See, you just have to insert a soft iron core. All right, this one I will translate for you in Malay. Okay, I will translate for you in Malay. In Malay, kita namakannya masukkan. Masukkan is double K. Masukkan teras besi lembut. Okay, apa maksudkan? Excuse me. Apa? Sorry, burp a bit. Apa maksud kenyataan ini? I will explain to you. You write it down first. Okay, done. Okay, what it means by this particular statement, let me find, but where's my sorry not? Holy shit. Where I put it? Ayo, too messy lah. Here, too many things here. Wires also everywhere. Where I put my sorry not? Oh, here. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, what is happening now is like that. Okay, before I want to explain to what I mean by that, let me highlight one of the word that I use over here. It's called a soft iron. Besi lembut. Okay, masukkan teras besi lembut. Okay, what they mean by soft iron ataupun besi lembut? Actually, the explanation is kind of simple. What I mean by soft iron is an iron which is soft lah. Soft iron. Apa tu besi lembut, sir? Besi yang lembut lah. Itu saja. So, apa maksudnya besi yang lembut, sir? So, when you find a piece of metal, katakan, if you find that they're easily, this is how we define it lah. For example, like the diffuser in my mic here. Okay, I can see you hear me. This actually can bend easily. Can bend like that, can bend. Right now, if you use a metal or iron, right, which is easily bend, okay, senang untuk dibengkokkan. Okay, very easy to bend it. Okay, easily to bend it, senang kamu bengkokkan. That is called a soft iron. When you find there's a metal, you try to bend it, it's very hard to bend. So we just call it hard iron. As simple as that. Understand? Not like a lot of keys, right? Yeah, there's using iron also. So if you find the keys okay, it's very hard to bend it. So hard iron, it's just like that. Soft iron means very easy to bend, a bit soft. You can bend it easily. Now bengkok senang. Remember, I use the word bend. Bengkok, bukan patahkan dia. Cannot. You don't break it. Okay, you break it, that's not a good iron at all. Iron is not able to break. Dia boleh bengkok. Okay, boleh bengkok saja. Understand not? Boleh bengkok, tapi tak boleh patah. Understand? So kalau dapati senang nak bengkok, soft iron. Susah nak bengkok, hard iron. This is how we determine in general lah. But it's not a specific way to do that lah. Bukan satu cara yang what we call yang what you call that yang khas ataupun yang betul untuk tentukan dia, because whether you can bend the metal or not, it's really very subjective on the person. Very subjective to the person. For example, you give metal to Mr. Ben. You look at his name, Mr. Ben. He can bend anything, you know. You bagi dia besi lembut, bend. Bagi besi keras pun bend. How strong he is, you know lah. So bagi dia everything lembut. You must give someone that a bit standardized. You give that old man like me. You give the ayah cannot bend. Hard iron no. Ayah, this one, he can bend. Soft iron no. You know what I'm trying to say or not? So that's why I say whether boleh bengkok tak boleh bengkok is a bit subjective. Become person. As I said, Mr. Ben not a very good reference for us. He is Mr. Ben. He can bend. Understand or not? So you can see how big size he is, how muscular he is. His bicep when he flex is bigger than my feet, okay? Bigger than my, I don't know lah, huh? It's so big, okay? Saya pun takut, okay? So bagi apa dia pun dia boleh bend. So you know, try to say it out. All right. Okay. Now, what they mean by soft iron core thrust? Core actually mean inside. Okay. Basically, it's like that. Let me show you. Let me bend my solenoid first. Okay. Using a wire. Just like that. Okay. Imagine this is a solenoid, right? Okay. What you gonna do? Let's say like this is a soft iron. Let's say this is a soft iron solenoid. Imagine the solenoid is like that only. You know, inside is empty one. What do you mean a soft iron core? You just put the soft iron inside. Just like that. As simple as that only. Is that clear? Teras besi lembut maksudnya teras maksudnya you have to put it inside. Solenoid biasa, okay, kamu masukkan dia saja. Just like that. This is called soft iron core. Okay, masuk ke dalam soft iron core. Is it okay? So how this soft iron core can help? Because soft iron core, right, actually apabila dimasukkan, dia juga akan menjadi magnet. Imagine solenoid is a magnet, soft iron pun magnet. Dia akan 2 in 1. So becoming a very strong magnet. Understand or not? But of course, I know your concern also. Some of you might think, sir, then what is the difference if I use a soft iron and hard iron? Let me show you now. Now the iron, right, it can be 2 types now, correct or not? One is a soft iron. Another one is a hard iron. Correct or not? Soft iron or hard iron. Am I right? Either one now. Okay, what's the difference like that? Okay, imagine like that. Okay, don't copy yet. Listen to me, will do. Okay, if this is a soft iron, this is solenoid. I turn on the switch, dia jadi magnet. No electricity, no magnet. Betul? Okay, now, bayangkan if this is the soft iron. Imagine it's a soft. Can you see soft? Lame magic, okay? Soft iron. Understand or not? If this is soft, what happened? If I put it inside, apa berlaku? Okay, this is what happened now. So the solenoid akan menjadi magnet. Soft iron akan mengikut, ikut saja. So the soft iron will become magnet also. So magnet campur magnet, 2 in 1. Strong magnet. Understand or not? 2 in 1. Is it okay? So one more time. I turn on electricity, solenoid, magnet. Soft iron, magnet juga. Understand? But when I off the switch, solenoid, no more magnet. Betul? One more time. When I off the switch, solenoid, no more magnet. What happened to the soft iron? No more magnet also. Bermakna soft iron akan mengikut apa akan berlaku pada solenoid. Kalau solenoid magnet, soft iron magnet. Kalau solenoid bukan magnet, soft iron also bukan magnet. Is it okay? So that means that at that moment we're saying that soft iron, right, is creating a temporary magnet. Magnet sementara. Dia akan ikut. Understand or not? Comparing with the hard iron. Okay, someone asked question. So how to know when to use left hand, when to use right hand? Hey, don't confuse other here, please. This Wangsa module student, I only teach you right hand now. Left hand, I haven't entered yet. Not yet. Okay. When I come to that left hand, I will tell you when to use left and right. Now, don't confuse. Don't ask about the left hand. Keep in the pocket first. Right hand only, focus. Okay, one by one, slowly. Don't worry. As long as I'm still alive, don't worry. I will try my best to help. Okay, Can? Okay, come back to this. Hard iron. Okay, now imagine. Sorry, not again. Let's say this is hard iron. Okay, sorry, not hard iron. I put it in. Apa berlaku? I hope you can see. Okay, apa berlaku now? When solenoid becoming a magnet, what happened? Because of electricity, betul tak? Electricity making solenoid becoming magnet. Hard iron, magnet also. Dia akan ikut. Hard iron akan jadi magnet juga. Understand? I repeat. Solenoid, magnet. Hard iron, magnet also. Okay, dua-dua sekarang. 2 in 1. Is it okay? But when I off the switch, solenoid, no more magnet. Betul? Hard iron, masih magnet. It's still a magnet. You will keep the magnetic strength. Soft says, kalau ini ada solenoid, magnet, dia magnet. Solenoid, no magnet, ini masih magnet. Is that clear? So at that moment, we are saying that the hard iron will turn into what? A permanent magnet. magnet kekal. Write it down into your notes. Write it down into your notes. So this kind of permanent magnet is what we call as a man-made magnet. Magnet buatan manusia. Okay, you write it down first. I will explain to you what's going on. Is someone still coming in? KD81. Okay, done? Okay, sudah? Okay, now I just want to tell you, that's why, class, when you want to buy a piece of magnet, you're going to party kebanyakan magnet adalah warna apa? Black color one. So if you're going to buy the magnet which is black in color, those kind of magnet is a natural magnet, means you korek bawah tanah jumpa punya. That's a natural magnet. Now, what's the best part of this natural magnet? The magnetic strength of the natural magnet is permanent. Permanent means that today you have the black magnet. Tomorrow, the black magnet, the strength of the magnet is the same. Even though 1 year later, same. 10 years later, still the same. You can keep it as a generation gift. For example, before you say goodbye to the world, you pass it to your son. Son, this is our generation magnet. Okay? Then your son will pass the magnet down. So no matter how many generations or so, the magnet still a magnet. Now the strength is permanent. Tak berubah. Dia tak naik, dia tak turun. Dia memang kemagnetannya sama. Comparing with another type of magnet. Another type of magnet, when you buy from the market nowadays, you can buy, you will find that the magnet color is silver color. Silver color, like metal color. Bentuk macam logam. That is a man-made magnet. Those kind of man-made magnet, right? The thing is like that. The moment you bought it, right, kemungkinan besar dia sangat kuat. Okay, mungkin depend on luck, mungkin 1 week later or 1 month later or 1 year later, you find that kekuatannya semakin kurang. Maybe 10 years later, the whole piece of thing no more magnet one. Akan kehilangan magnetan. Okay, they're no more already. Understand? The magnet will reduce, especially when you drop those kind of magnet on the floor. A floor I'm talking about is ground. Ground, I'm referring to the earth, not condo. Condo, actually, you're away from the ground. You're away from the earth. If you are in a landed property, landed, you throw the magnet, the silver color one, you throw on the floor. You throw many times. You'll find out the magnetic strength will reduce. You have to make sure you touch the ground, touch the earth, because earth got a lot of electron. They will disturb the magnetic strength inside. So you throw like that. You'll find out kekuatan magnet dia akan semakin kurang. Mungkin you throw many times already, the whole thing no more magnet one. Understand? Of course, you will say, sir, no more magnet macam mana? You can bring back the magnet one. Macam mana bring back? Simple lah. Katakan ini magnet, besi punya, tak ada magnet dah. Apa berlaku? You take this, take a solenoid, you put it inside. Then you connect with the battery. It's like charging it lah. You macam charge dia lah. You're charging it. How long? It depends on you. Maybe half an hour, 1 hour, up to you lah. Just put it like that. Put. After 1 hour later, you take out this one. Voila, magnet again. Understand or not? Magnet again. This is how it works. Is it okay? So that kind of magnet is what we call as a man-made permanent magnet. Understand? Not the natural type. Is it okay? Can Okay, once you're done with that, you can see on the next page lah. Ada latihan kita nak buat. Tak banyak, 4 soalan sahaja. There are 4 questions only. Okay, let me show you and explain to you what is going on with the first one first. Okay, soalan dia berbunyi. Okay, lama. Macam hebat. Someone asked question here. Sir, why soft cannot keep magnet? Oh, that is because of the arrangement of the particle inside. That one you're not going to learn. Okay? Not going to learn. Okay? Because you will find out actually, even though they're iron, but dia dua-dua pun logam, dua-dua pun besi. Tapi because of the arrangement of the particle, like arrangement of the crystal inside, will cause the behavior of the entire thing change. Although they are same type of atom. Like for example, like carbon. Kalau carbon dia punya susunan berbeza, dia akan jadi kayu. If a carbon you arrange differently, you turn into a diamond. Diamond is the hardest material on earth. Compared with wood, wood is nothing compared with the diamond. You know what I'm trying to say? So that's why it's because of the arrangement inside. And this arrangement will causes them to not able to keep the magnet or able to keep the magnet. But that part is not going to learn. Okay, you're not going to learn. Higher level. Teacher, so that why the fridge magnet black one selalu break? Because it's soft, right? That one is natural magnet. Natural magnet basically is not natural magnet. Dia bukan iron. You know what I'm trying to say? Iron mean besi. Dia bukan besi. Yang hitam tu dia mineral. Dia magnet. Dia bukan besi. Maksud saya adalah iron ni maksudnya besi. Besi. Besi yang keras, besi yang lembut. You akan nampak ada segelintir magnet, dia macam logam tau, dia warna silver. You ketuk-ketuk dia keras punya tau. Understand tak? Yang hitam tu adalah mineral. You korek bawah tanah punya. You cannot compare. Yang hitam tu dia, walaupun dia pecah macam mana pun, dia senang pecah pun, dia akan magnet, dia akan kekal selama-lamanya. Understand tak? They will keep forever one. Okay or not? Can I? So let me explain this one a little bit more before we end up. This question is very simple. They just want you to find out the polarity. Polarity mean kutub. Kutub mean where's the North Pole and where's the South Pole. Okay. And my what we call tips for you to answer the question very simple. Number one, you must know the current flow. Once you know the current, use your hand. Use your hand to find out where's the north. Remember, your thumb is the north. Okay, you must try to do this. You don't give me excuses, sir, no time. You got plenty of time. Number two, sir, I don't know what formula to use. No formula. Sir, I don't have a calculator. No need calculator. This exercise, whole 4 questions, use your right hand only. I only accept one excuse. One excuse. One excuse. Sir, I got no right hand. No need to do. As long as you bukan cacat, you must able to do. Try. Next week, I will explain to you on Monday. You got 2 days to do only. In Korean, today is 3 days lah. Saturday, Sunday, must do. Monday, I will discuss with you. Okay? Okay, before I end this homework, please do lah. Please lah. Okay? See any question not? Sir, can I explain again how the number of turn affect the strength? Oh, it's simple. That means you see, when you number of turn, it's just like this. I think you are girl, right? Girl, guy. I don't know, never mind. Okay? Imagine that wire. I wind like that. You see? I wind like this. I consider like 1 turn only in the middle. So 1 turn. Correct not? The love shape. Oh, so nice. Love you. Ooh. Heart shape. All right. So 1 turn. So it means what? I created 1 magnet. So if I make another turn like this, for example, that means what? I created 2 magnets. So obviously, 2 magnet is stronger than 1 magnet, right? So more turn you go, more magnet you created, stronger it's going to be. Okay? Any other question? No one? So if no question, I will stop here first. I will explain to you more detail on this exercise on Monday. Okay, we stay tuned on Monday, same time like today also. Monday, okay, everything will back to normal. Hopefully, seriously, we can see each other very soon. But seems according to the what we call the cases that we can see, it doesn't look that positive. Of course, question 2 need to do. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 question must do. Try first. Try first. Don't ask me how to do. You try first. I will tell you how to do on Monday. Okay? Okay, thanks all for today. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong. Okay, we will see each other again. Okay, bye-bye.